Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, not at all. Please have a seat.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Long journey ahead, right?
Yes, it seems so.
Where are you headed?
I'm going to the next city.
Oh, nice. I'm traveling there too.
That's a coincidence.
It really is.
Do you travel by train often?
Not very often, but I enjoy it.
Me too. Trains feel peaceful.
Yes, they do.
The view from the window is always calming.
Absolutely.
Are you traveling for work or something else?
Just a short break, actually.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I'm visiting a friend.
That's wonderful.
How long has it been since you last met your friend?
A few months?
Not too long then.
Yes, but I still miss them.
I understand that feeling.
Do you have friends in the city?
A couple of them, yes.
That's good.
Traveling alone can feel lonely sometimes.
True, but sometimes it's peaceful.
Yes, being alone gives you time to think.
Exactly.
By the way, I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you too, Sam.
So, do you like long train rides?
I do, especially when the weather is good.
Today's weather looks perfect.
Yes, the sky is so clear.
Makes the journey more enjoyable.
Definitely.
Is this your first time on this route?
Yes, it is.
Then you'll love the scenery.
That's good to know.
I could use some beautiful views.
Everyone can.
Do you usually carry books when you travel?
Yes, I love reading on trains.
That's nice.
What kind of books do you read?
Mostly novels.
Any particular genre?
Mystery and adventure.
Good choice.
What about you?
I like nonfiction.
That's interesting.
What are you reading now?
A book about human behavior.
That sounds deep.
It is, but also fascinating.
I might try something like that someday.
You should.
Traveling gives extra time to read.
Exactly.
Do you listen to music while traveling?
Sometimes, yes.
What kind of music do you like?
Soft and relaxing music.
That fits the journey mood.
It really does.
Do you have any travel snacks with you?
Just a few.
Same here.
Long journeys require snacks.
Absolutely.
Do you often travel alone?
Yes, mostly.
I enjoy exploring new places.
That's a great habit.
What about you?
I travel alone occasionally.
I prefer company sometimes.
That's understandable.
Company makes journeys memorable.
Very true.
Have you ever missed a train?
Oh yes, many times.
Really?
Yes, I'm terrible with timing.
That's funny.
What about you?
Just once.
How did it happen?
Heavy traffic.
That happens to everyone.
Yes, unfortunately.
Do you like meeting new people while traveling?
Yes, it's one of my favorite parts.
Same here.
You learn so much from strangers.
Exactly.
And sometimes strangers become friends.
I agree.
This conversation is already improving my journey.
Mine too.
You seem like an easygoing person.
Thank you. That's kind of you.
You're friendly as well.
I try to be.
Do you enjoy talking during journeys?
Only when the other person is nice.
That's fair.
Not everyone likes to talk.
Yes, some people prefer silence.
I respect that.
Me too.
Are you comfortable so far?
Yes, the seat is nice.
Same here.
The train ride feels smooth today.
Yes, no shaking at all.
That's rare.
Very rare.
Do you like nature?
A lot.
Same here.
Watching trees pass by is therapeutic.
I completely agree.
Are you into photography?
A little bit.
I love capturing train journeys.
That's amazing.
Train photos always look cinematic.
Yes, the motion adds life to them.
True.
Do you ever strike up conversations with strangers?
Sometimes, if the vibe feels right.
And today the vibe feels right?
Definitely.
I feel the same.
Feels comfortable and natural.
Yes, it does.
Do you work in the city?
Not anymore.
Oh, did you change jobs?
Yes, recently.
How do you feel about that?
Excited and nervous.
New beginnings bring both.
Exactly.
What about you?
I work remotely now.
That must be convenient.
It is, but also isolating sometimes.
I understand that.
Human interaction matters.
Very much.
Maybe that's why today feels nice.
Yes, a refreshing conversation.
Absolutely.
Do you enjoy traveling to new places?
Always.
It opens the mind.
And the heart, too.
Well said.
Do you have any favorite travel destination?
The mountains, always.
Beautiful choice.
What about you?
I love the beach.
Peaceful places both.
Yes, very peaceful.
Do you think we'll stay in touch after this journey?
I hope so.
Me too.
It would be nice to continue this friendship.
I agree completely.
Would you like to exchange numbers?
Yes, of course.
Here, I'll share mine.
Got it. Here's mine too.
Great.
I'm glad we started talking.
Same here.
This journey would have been boring otherwise.
Absolutely.
Sometimes unexpected meetings are the best.
I believe that too.
We should grab coffee in the city sometime.
I love that.
Then let's plan it.
Definitely.
This is the start of a nice friendship.
I can feel that.
Here's to new connections.
And to a wonderful journey together.